If you're a fan of off-road SUVs, the Lexus GX should already be on your radar. Just in case it's not, the 2024 model is coming in hot, packing a twin-turbo V6, a new suspension, and other niceties inherited from the big papa of Toyota SUVs, the LX. If you want an SUV that can just about do it all without breaking a sweat, come with us for a look at this redesigned beast. The 2024 Lexus GX is about as close to a clean sheet redesign as it gets these days. While its fundamentals are shared with the rest of Toyota's new trucks and beefier SUVs, there's very little here beyond the basic exterior shape that harkens back to the last-gen GX. That box-on wheels look can now be augmented with a set of 33-inch all-terrain tires on the new Overtrail trim, one of 6 variants Lexus will offer. The new GX has 2- and 3-row layouts available, and Lexus added a new one-touch tumble system for the center row that allows easy access to the rear bench in 3-row models. Gone is the old GX's V8. Standard across the lineup, for now, is a new 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 making 349 horsepower, up 48 over the V8 if you're counting, and 479 pound-feet of torque. This is mated to a 10-speed automatic and standard 4-wheel drive. Toyota says this combo is good for 17 miles per gallon combined and a towing capacity between 6,780 and 8,000 pounds, depending on the trim. A hybrid version is coming, and while it might not be quite as potent as the 437-horse iForce Max offered in the Toyota Tundra, we expect it won't be far off. Overtrail and Overtrail Plus models get a few exclusive features, like 33-inch all-terrain tires, which are mounted on unique 18-inch wheels. The Overtrail variants also get an electronic locking differential, black fender accents, and a standard aluminum skid plate, an adaptive suspension system, off-road specific drive modes, and a 3D terrain monitor round out the available go-anywhere bits. The interior is slathered in leather and equipped with the latest Lexus Interface infotainment system with a 14-inch screen. All trims have 6 charge ports inside, with the exception of Overtrail, which ships with just 4. A wireless device charger is optional. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both standard up and down the lineup, as is Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, which incorporates a variety of advanced driver aids, including full-range adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Lexus says cargo management has improved for all variants to the point where 5 suitcases can be loaded into the car with the 3rd row folded. We're not sure how big those suitcases are exactly, but that sounds promising. Oh, and there are 12 cup holders. Look for the 2024 Lexus GX to hit showrooms early next year. Visit Autoblog to learn more.